So guys, have a great Sunday. Today a few trades on this account: volatility 50 index, 100 index, and 75 index, and 51 as index. Look here, the robot made today profit $100. Okay, and this is Sunday, a weekend trading. Let's go and withdraw this profit. So guys, here is my CR account. I just made a transfer from MT5 account, $100. Okay, and let's click on a withdraw and go for a withdraw. Just made a click on a withdraw. I just sent an email. Let's go for email, and now here is a binary email. Let's click on email. Let's go for a withdraw on their site. And here the site is loading. Okay, and now let's make a withdraw of $100 of today earning. I will post all screenshots in my group, so make sure you are in my group. For group link, check the description. Let's click on Skrill and have a withdraw. Let's request payout. Yes, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. This is DC Scientific Index Robot.